Woohoo! Right, and now that we have coffee, we can say good morning, comrades. Good morning, Alex. How are you doing?
Morning. Fine.
Yeah.
Fine for now.
For now, yeah. That I was waiting for that, like still for now. And so, for people who have missed the last couple of vlogs, we have today a very important task. Namely, we're switching the gearbox for a 6-speed version over here. And as much as we can regarding the PowerFlex bushing, as much as we can means because it's going to be one of those races against the clock, because currently it is, well, 11:30, and at 5 o'clock I have to start driving to the airport with this car. So we'll see how much we're gonna get, but so far we already changed, well, by we, I need to say RT Motorsport because I'm just filming, yep. We did the diesel filter, oil filter is being done, everything is being dismantled. We're also gonna do the thermostat because the car is not getting hotter than 70 degrees. So this should also benefit fuel consumption, and the idea is to do a trip from Zagreb to Nürburgring, 1100 kilometers, then do a lap, and then be happy about it. Yeah, and all that effort just for that one idea. No, obviously there's a lot more behind it. The gearbox is equipped with LSD. We have also single mass flywheel coming on. So this is going to be a big track car. Lots of preparations. Nice doggo. Mm-hmm. Scooter tuning past. So those are the hard mounts from the Technics, right?
Yeah.
Oh, comes with the
instructions.
That's good.
So I think we make tight, yeah? Tight setup.
Yeah.
For race cars.
Yep.
Okay.
Something I might regret.
Yeah.
Just suggested to use the tight setup initially, and if the noise or vibration is unacceptable, then change the comfort setup. Yeah. We like things tight. Yeah, this will definitely be replaced soon for something bigger. We can still survive a couple of 1,000 kilometers with it. With no track use, obviously.
Hast du? Ja. Kannst du es mal ein bisschen auf Seite biegen? Jawohl. Das ist Nummer 1. Die Frage, die ich richtig gesehen habe.
Goodbye stock engine mounts.
Ja. Oder? Ja. Was ist das? Ich hab's ja.
So, the old clutch with the old flywheel and the new one.
Du steckst das schnell um, meinst du?
Ich werde es sehen. Macht auf jeden Fall ein bisschen Silikonspray drauf.
Zieh den Abschenkel wieder weg, dann schiebe ich die wieder rein.
Bitte.
Da weg mit dem Schenkel. Weiter weg.
Ja, jetzt hast du Gang angelegt, das sollst du nicht machen.
Ja, so ist mein.
Lass den Schalthebel in Ruhe.
Ja.
Finger weg.
Ich hab die Finger weg, Spacko.
Und jetzt geh mal auf Leerlauf, auf Mitte. Bist du jetzt auf Leerlauf?
Ja.
So, leg mal den ersten ein. Sollst den ersten einlegen.
Mach ich.
Zweiter. Ach nee. Warte mal, die Seile sind hinten noch nicht fest. Okay.
Ja, mach.
Spannung.
Ich mal 3 Liter, mal weiter.
Ja, starte mal.
Now it's a real tractor.
How are the vibrations?
I think 10 from 10.
10 from 10.
Kann eigentlich nicht sein. It's still with rubber, so it could not be that worse.
And people say that it settles in after a couple of 100 kilometers,
Yeah.
so we'll see. I remember when we changed the GT86 once, it was the same.
Yeah. But they were also with rubber. They were not solid.
Hmm. It's not that bad. And of course it's a lot more shaky, but kind of like it.
Hinterklatsch.
Yep. Uh-oh.
Was ist?
Ich schätze, ich bin in der 3 beim Abfahren.
Bist du nicht im ersten Gang?
Danke. Yeah, we didn't manage to change the thermostat yet, but that's for next time. So, we're supposed to leave at 5. 3 minutes before time. Very much last moment work. Thank you very much. Yeah, we didn't manage to put the thermostat in the bushings because it was probably a bit too ambitious. So I'll probably end up doing it in Zagreb, or maybe next time. Maybe we'll do something more to it. Who knows? But now it feels like a race car. Yeah, we actually wanted to make a feature on one of your cars.
Yeah.
But that's something for next time, I guess. Yeah, so for now, gotta go and fly. But thank you very much.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, excited to shake my teeth out, but I must say it's not that bad, like the vibrations. Of course you feel it, but it's not crazy. So yeah, thanks a lot, guys. Here we can see the effects of LSD.